Hello friends, welcome to my channel Unboxing Gallery. In this video, you will see how to take screenshot in Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone. So many people struggle to take screenshot in this smartphone, but there are 3 easy methods available to take screenshot. Okay, let's go to the video. Press volume down button and power button together. Screenshot is captured now. See, again I do it. Screenshot is captured now. Now you can edit or share with your friends. For long screenshot, press this icon. So long screenshot is captured. You can see long screenshot. Click just once. See, wow, long screenshot is captured very neatly. Second method is palm swipe method. This is very easiest method to take screenshot. Just open one app. For example, I click settings. Screenshot is captured. Very easy method. For this option also you can do long screenshot. Wow, screenshot is captured. You can also share with your friends. For third method, you go to settings and click accessibility and then click interaction and dexterity. Click assistant menu enable. Now you can take screenshot. Very easy method. Now screenshot is captured. You can also drag it into any place. Press this icon and click screenshot. Screenshot is captured. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.